Hi, my name is Lori Delaney, and I'm with the Associate Alumni of Douglas College, and I'm here to do a quick walkthrough on how to join a Zoom event and navigate through the lobby into your sessions and workshops. So you should receive an email from Zoom Events with the subject line that reads Lori Delaney registered you for the AADC Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference. And if you scroll down, you'll see a Join Event button. One important note is that you do have to have a Zoom account to join the event, and you should have registered for the event with the same email that is linked to your Zoom account. So you could just go ahead and click Join Event, and that will prompt you to sign into your Zoom account. So you sign in, and it will bring you right into the Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference lobby. And I just want to show you a couple of things here. In the lobby, you'll see a main lobby chat where you can chat with everyone. And also, if you go up to your icon, you'll see two buttons here, Simply Exploring, and then Feeling Social, which means you're open to networking. And once you click Feeling Social, you'll see that a green ring is put around your icon. So you'll be able to see who's open to networking and who's not by that ring. Another area I want to show you is the upper top menu, and you'll see lobby, sessions, itinerary, expo, speakers, and people. So if you go into sessions, you'll be able to view all of the conference sessions right here. You can enter any session to read a little bit more about it. And also, once the conference starts, you will be able to join a session from here as well. You can also bookmark sessions. So any session that you joined, your breakout sessions for your workshops, you would click the closing remarks and networking session, and also the welcome and featured speaker section. What that does is it creates an itinerary for you. So if you go up here and click itinerary, you have your whole day planned out. You can also join the event from your itinerary. This again will turn into a join button. You can also go into the speakers section and view all of our speakers for the day of the conference, and you can go in and read a little bit more about them and their bios, and once the conference starts, you will be able to join from here as well. Okay, and we also have an expo which is closed right now, but on the day of the conference it will be open, and our development team will be there, so if you want to stop in to say hello, they are there to welcome you. Okay, and then I just wanted to show you one more way to get into Zoom events. Let's see, I'm just going to open another window here. So you can sign into events.zoom.us, sign in, and this will bring you straight to your page where you have any of your tickets for Zoom conferences. So you can click on, it'll show today's events when the Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference starts. Right now we would have to hit either tickets over here at the top right. That'll show you your ticket where you can join the lobby, or you can click upcoming and you can join the lobby from here, and that'll just bring you into the same lobby. So it's if you don't want to go through your email and try to search for your ticket, you could always just join through events.zoom.us and enter the lobby that way. And then there is one more additional way to join, and that is through a link, and I will put that on your reminder emails. If you click the link, it will prompt you to sign into your Zoom account, and that will take you into the lobby as well. Well, I think that is it for now, and thank you so much for your time and for joining in for the Jewel Plumber Cobb Sisters Conference. We look forward to seeing you.